Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. So today is a good day because it's the last episode of the Vue devlog series. Wait, the last episode means there is no more Vue devlogs. Wait, actually it's a sad day because there is no more Vue devlogs for you to watch. Oh man, you should be sad because there is no more Vue devlogs. But yeah, I will find a way to get them back. Anyways, let's get into the main point of this video. So this video will be about hosting your Vue application. How we are going to do that? It's simple. We will be using netlify. What is netlify? Well, netlify is a hosting service that will host for you your Vue application or React application or Angular applications, which is why support Angular. But anyways, let's get into the main point, and yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so we are here at the X Live GitHub page, and yeah, and this is netlify. So you just log in with your GitHub account. So yeah, you give it access to your GitHub repositories, and how it works is just you link it with your own GitHub repository, and it will magically do the stuff for you and deploy the site. So here we go. The first thing, so we hit a new site from Git. And then we want to do continuous deployment. So every time we change something in the code and then upload it to GitHub, it will register it and redeploy the changes. It's pretty cool, I must say. So I am authorized, and here we are. So let's search for the X Live. X Live, here we go. So the owner, of course, it's me. The branch to deploy, you got to choose the branch to deploy. I have only one, and yeah, that's it. Deploy, and once site, as you can see here, site deploy is in progress. Once it is deployed, we will get to see it.
2 very boring minutes later.
So now the website is deployed. See, it's a really simple thing to do. It's straightforward. We are going to go to site settings, site information, and change the site name, because what the hell is this nostalgic Wilson? Anyways, let's it's just for property purpose. It's good to name your projects a proper name. So the X Live, and save. Now your website will be my website, our website. Why not? Our website will be the xlive.netlify.app. Now actually when we go and do this, it actually goes to the X Live, and yeah, congratulations. That's how you do it. That's how you upload and deploy a site, and it's actually pretty fast, I must say. I didn't expect that loading fast, and yeah, it loaded all the components. Actually, vue3 is really fast. I gotta say that it's really good. As you might have seen here, I tried to update some looks. I updated the color palette because the first one was a bit bland. I wanted some color, some goddamn dynamic color palette, so I did that. I also spent 3 days working on CSS like a maniac just to make it responsive, and yeah, 3 days of wanking my eyes and beating my head to the fucking wall because of CSS and because how it works. So, but yeah, I got it to work. Let's try it. yeah, there we go. This is the mobile look for it. Yeah, don't roast me for this one because I didn't really know what to do about it, so yeah. Here we go. And just for a note, this map is working right now on the JavaScript API, as you might know from the last episode. And JavaScript API for Google Maps is actually paid, so this one is not gonna last a lot here. So the rusty one is coming back, so expect it when you visit the site. But yeah, for now it's here, and enjoy it before it's gone. And as you might have saw, using netlify really doesn't require that much of a mental energy, so I don't see a reason why not to use it. And yeah, actually this is it. This is the end of the Vue devlog series. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you didn't like it, we respect all the opinions. Please dislike. And yeah, that's it. I will catch you guys in the next video.